One warrior against 8. It sounds like a scene from a Bruce Lee movie. But in a recent military simulation, Chinese researchers put this theory to the test in naval warfare. The battlefield, the Western Pacific, just east of Taiwan. China's formidable Type 055 destroyer, a warship among the world's largest, stood against a US fleet of 8 Arleigh-Burke-class destroyers. But China wasn't fighting alone. Enter the unmanned kill web. A network of drones and unmanned boats designed to change the face of maritime conflict. 2 unmanned motherships were deployed, releasing 32 drones and 14 unmanned boats. Meanwhile, the US fleet launched a barrage of 32 Tomahawk and LRASM anti-ship missiles, each costing over $3 million. The result? A coordinated defense effort by the unmanned platforms and the Type 055 intercepting the missiles while remaining fully operational. According to an AI expert, China's kill web enables quick and precise strikes, offering a cost-effective combat advantage. The concept? Swarming enemy forces with large numbers of unmanned weapons that can communicate in real time, forming a lethal and resilient network. Ironically, the US was the first to propose a similar tactic. The Pentagon's Replicator initiative, announced in 2023, aimed to flood the battlefield with low-cost drones in a potential Taiwan conflict. US Indo-Pacific Commander Admiral Samuel Paparo even suggested using drones to turn the Taiwan Strait into an unmanned hellscape. But recent reports suggest that logistical challenges and China's vast drone production capacity have cast doubt on the US plan. While advanced, these systems aren't exactly cheap. Each Chinese unmanned boat can carry air defense missiles priced between $410,000 to $1.09 million, cheaper than US equivalents, but still a significant investment. The simulation estimated that intercepting 32 US anti-ship missiles would cost between 160 to 270 million yuan, depending on risk tolerance. China's growing dominance in drone and ship production is a major factor. The country manufactures 70% of the world's drones, and its shipbuilding capacity dwarfs that of the US. At last year's China Air Show, military contractors showcased advanced unmanned systems, from vertical missile launching ships to drones with intercontinental range. While this was just a simulation, it highlights a new era of warfare. One where autonomous weapons and AI-driven tactics could redefine military power. Could China's kill web give it the upper hand in a future naval confrontation? And if so, how will the US respond? One thing is certain: the battlefield of tomorrow won't just be manned, it will be unmanned. Bureau Report, India Today Global.